In this video, I'll show you how to enable social cards in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, head over to the bottom and click on the second option, which is campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be my email campaign. On the right-hand side of your chosen campaign, head over to the action section and click on the edit button. Now, that will take you to the preview of your campaign. From here, you want to head over to the fifth section, which is content. And at the bottom, you will find a button to enable the social cards. Now, if you click on enable social cards, in here, what you need to do is simply head over to the right-hand side and click on enable customized social cards. And once you do that, you'll be able to change either from X, Facebook, or Pinterest. So on X, formerly Twitter, on the right-hand side, we will add a title. Let's say this is Twitter, or the name of your account. Then you can also add a description, let's say. And once you're done, at the top, you can also add a featured image. At the bottom, you can upload an image, and you can choose from one of your examples, one of your uploads, or you can choose from the stock images. Now, on the right-hand side, you will also see a lot of featured images. This is from your campaign. And once you have your featured image, you can also do the same on Facebook and Pinterest. You can edit the things in which you need on here. Let's say on Facebook, we will change this to follow us on Facebook instead of X. And on Pinterest, we will also change this to follow us on Pinterest. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Save and Close. Once you click on Save and Close, as you can see on the content section, we will have a check mark stating that we have enabled our social cards. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.